Good afternoon everybody, it's from Jayashree. I am going to take this combinational circuits which is under the unit of registers and counters for this analog and devices for the second years. Okay, let us see what is meant by combinational circuits. A combination circuit is a fundamental component of digital electronic systems that produce output slowly based on the current inputs without any memory elements. Okay, the combination circuit is a fundamental component of digital electronic circuits that produce output slowly based on the current inputs without any external memory elements. In other words, the output of the combination circuit is determined entirely by its current input values and logical functions implemented within the circuits. Combination circuits perform a wide range of logical operations such as Boolean algebra, arithmetic operation, and data processing tasks. This is what the block diagram of combinational logic circuits. What is a combinational logic circuits? As we already said, it receives at the instant input only, and it start processing and it gives the output based on the input. Okay. So for example, we have to give the instant input AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate or NOT gate. At the instant input only it performs this combination logic and it gives the instant output based on the inputs. Okay, this is what the block diagram of this combination logic circuits. This combination circuit has three inputs, namely as X, which is given to the combination logic circuits. After this, the output is mentioned by Z is equal to f of X. Okay. Next, combinational circuits. So let us see what is the definition of combinational circuits and the advantages of combinational circuits. So combinational circuits are defined as the time independent circuits which does not depend on previous inputs to generate any outputs, which is termed as these combinational circuits. In these outputs, it depends only on the present inputs, right? So for example, if you give the two input AND gate, right, it will perform 0 0 and 0. If it is 1 0 1 1, what is the AND gate truth table? If all the inputs are 1, the output is 1. For all other cases, it is 0, right? Similarly, this combinational circuit performs this output is very fast. The speed is very fast. It is designed easy. There is no feedback connection between the input and output. This is time independent, elementary building blocks and used for arithmetic as well as Boolean operators, and combinational circuit does not have capability to store any state. As combinational circuit does not have a clock, they do not require triggering, right? It does not have a clock, right? Because AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, it will perform this based on the inputs, right? So it does not have any clock signal. So it perform easy and do not need any triggering. These circuits do not have any memory elements, like since it AND gate, OR gate is used only, right? These gates do not have any memory elements. It is easy to use and handle. Okay, so combination circuit the speed is fast. It is designed easily. There is no feedback between the input and output. This is time independent, elementary building blocks and used for arithmetic as well as Boolean operators. Combination circuit does not have a capability to store any storage. As combination circuit does not have any clock, they do not require triggering. These circuits do not have any memory element. It is easy to use and handle. Okay. Next, what is the disadvantages of combinational circuit? So as it gives a produce output based on the input, which is reset instantly, right? Similarly, the disadvantage of combinational circuit has it provides output only based on the present input. There is no way to store the previous data. So we cannot use this circuit to any memory based application or where previous data is recalled for doing operations, right? Yes, right. It is a limited functionality, so it cannot use, right? It cannot be used as a memory element, and the previous data is not, we cannot able to call the previous data is recalled for doing operations. This is what the disadvantages of combinational circuit, as it provides output only based on the present input and there is no way to store the previous data, so we cannot use the circuitry any memory based applications or where previous data is recalled for doing operations. Let us recap this block diagram again. The combination circuit is only having the inputs at the instant only, and it has the output based on this input. It reduces the outputs. This is what the main function of the combinational circuit. So the examples of combinational circuits are AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. These are the logic gates, are the examples of this combinational circuits. Okay, so thank you all.